Well, I just ran out of gas. I'm in the middle of the highway, so that's great. Drift Week! Thank you guys.
You fucked up.
Made it to the Freedom Factory. Had a little run in Mexico without an LZ on the way. We just saw him on here. That's one of the funnest parts about Drift Week is that like there's so many drivers and we're all going to the same spot at about the same time. That you just randomly meet up with people on the road, and then you know you're in your race car, so why not have a little fun? So I'm really looking forward to today. I hope that it goes smoothly. I'm definitely gonna go off and jump, and hopefully I don't break anything. But the fact that I made it this far in Drift Week with minor problems is pretty amazing. So I'm just very thankful for that, and really looking forward to just having an enjoyable day here in Florida, but not bending my car completely because we've got one more stop. We gotta go to Clutch Shakers next. Everyone's just kind of getting settled in, coming and checking out the crew whose cars are broken, whose cars survived. Kevin and Brittany with their amazing Corvette are not having the best of luck.
No, we had a shop just completely fuck everything up that's attached on our car.
Yeah, that sucks. This is one of the sweetest ones on Drift Week to drive when it drives, but they're also having issues that are dumb.
Well, yeah, there'd be no issues if the shop knew how to actually do work on cars.
Yeah. You're saying they hard mounted the...
They hard mounted the radiator on all 4 points. So as the frame and everything flexes, it just broke all the welds.
It's essentially cracking and leaking from every weld on the radiator.
Look, this whole thing, this one right here, look, that whole crack all the way around.
Seth's car is looking good. He's had a hell of a time. He's rebuilt the engine. I think he replaced the clutch twice, some other stuff. Nightmare. Brandon's car, seemingly good, just some cosmetic damage here and there. Sarah's car seems to have survived very well. How you doing?
It's good so far.
Yeah, looks good. You started with no bumper, right?
Yeah, I can't get it back on. This is bent out and I'm jacking it up on it. So
Perfect.
Like pushed out a little bit.
I'm just like documenting how far the cars have come since the beginning.
Yeah.
So if you started with no bumper, then you're looking pretty good. What's up? Any damage to report on your car?
Yeah, I had a dead animal in the goddamn interstate.
Oh, so no drift damage, just dead animal street damage.
I got like a buck-toothed hillbilly lip.
Oh, that could be a lot worse, honestly.
Oh yeah. Literally the only thing that's broken, knock on wood, on the strip so far is the starter.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so we just been lap after lap. I mean, I did bust the oil cooler, but that's because Dan spun. What an idiot.
Dan, not allowed. Not on Drift Week.
Nope.
No. Awesome. You gonna send it off the jump today?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, I am for sure.
I really want to drive with Bowman because his car looks like mine.
Oh, that's cool. Very cool. He must be a local, huh?
NASCAR guy.
Oh, that's the NASCAR guy. Yeah. I want to go check this thing out.
He just built the C6.
Really?
Yeah, it's super. He doesn't look like he's tandemed it yet. It looks pretty clean.
It does. It's got some Kendas on it.
Yeah.
Smart guy. Must have gotten some good advice. Sweet. Yeah, this looks very much like your car.
Yeah.
Little prettier.
After he built it, I was like, damn, bro.
Yeah. It's nice. Hell yeah.
Yeah, this is like NASCAR.
Danny's car is looking great. The Miata has been cobbled back together.
Oh yeah. What's up, Billy? How you doing?
We're just checking all the damage report.
Oh yeah. This thing has been, the water system has been leaking down.
Yeah, I know, right? That's why I'm getting the pre and then the post. But no major damage to report. It looks like you fixed the stuff from the crash that we had.
Was the subframe. It eventually tore apart after driving down 10.
Oh, great.
So I was working on it at NOLA the entire first day, pretty much. I got subframe tearing itself apart up. So I don't know if it was from the crash or what, but I think the control arm came loose, and then driving down 10, just like those constant bumps, just ripped it apart.
Damn.
Yeah, so that was fun.
You gonna go out the jump?
Oh yeah.
All right, good.
Full set.
Me too. That's the only way. What's up?
Hey.
You sleep well?
Yeah.
Caitlin and I both got boned on the Airbnb. Only I think it was mostly my fault, but
That's okay.
you guys figured out a spot?
Yeah, we did.
All right.
Tools everywhere. There's shit everywhere. There's what is this? What is this?
Look at this one.
Bro, what the
I'm looking at Jason's. He has no excuse for his car looking like this.
Yes, I do.
What is your excuse, sir?
I have so many of them.
Yeah, let's hear them. Let's hear the top 5.
The top 5.
Step 1.
That was a curb.
Yeah.
That was a curb in New Orleans. To go to the gas station to get fuel, and they didn't even have 93 there.
Oof.
Yeah.
Rip.
Yeah. Other than that, like the car's like still clean.
What are you doing? Plugs?
Yeah, it's missing out a little bit.
Yeah, I had to do that earlier.
It is what it is.
So far, honestly, people's cars have survived unbelievably well, I think. Danny's car is seemingly unscathed. Any damage to report, or are you unscathed completely?
I'm unscathed, nothing.
Look at this guy. Professional over here. Must be the Crocs.
Yeah, that's what does it.
Hell yeah. Looking good.
Lined up.
I'm trying to document everyone's like pre-Freedom Factory damage.
Okay.
And then we're gonna see what happens after.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see.
This is like basically the burn yard of the South.
I know.
So bad things are probably gonna happen here.
Yeah, and we're on team BMW, so
Yeah.
we'll see how that goes.
Awesome. I missed the driver's meeting. I have no idea what's happening.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah. I'm on team Red or Dead. I know that.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Let's see your car, Ben.
You're on team Dead. What?
Red or Dead.
I'm on team, I don't know.
I'm documenting all the pre-Freedom Factory cars before and then after. We're gonna see how damaged they get here.
Well, I brought 2 cars, so.
Oh, so yours are definitely gonna get one of them.
I brought the DRIFTWEEK car and the Pro car. So
All right, sweet.
we'll have fun in both.
Are you bringing them both to Clutch Kickers?
Yeah.
Good. Because I want to see what it's like to run a Pro 1 car at Clutch Kickers.
All right, well, it's Pro 2 car.
Well,
Pro 2. It's on 255.
okay, if it's on 255s.
That's all right, yeah. See?
Oh yeah.
Oof.
Nice.
Oof.
I'll be on 285 Kendas, which is like a 225 Achilles.
Oh, this is Pergius.
Yeah, or one of those two. Those are also very sticky.
Very sticky.
Yeah.
That's fine. We'll send it. We shall send it, big boy.
Is your vet all good? I guess we just walked past it. There's no damage on that.
It's literally.
The only damage you got was pulling off the trailer at round 1.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's pretty
left,
funny.
left the chain hooked up to it on
Yeah.
accident on a little radiator core. No big deal. Got it
biggie.
fixed. Cricket welded her back together.
Yeah.
But, you know, more carnage trying to get it off the U-Haul trailer than driving
They're
it.
actually driving it. That's
Besides your
hilarious.
wheel marks on the side of it.
Yeah, that was
I
a
approve. I
little
approve
kiss.
that.
Little kiss.
I approve that.
Hell yeah. All right, get it going. All right. Corey's car is looking good. Wood's car is looking good. Aaron's car hasn't really driven much. All right, so there you go. Now we're gonna go hit the track.
I'm nervous.
Yeah?
Yeah, because you guys haven't even drifted it yet.
I haven't, and also the burn yard was the most destructive thing.
I'm not
So I'm
trying to
assuming this
destruct
is similar to
everybody.
that. I hope not.
We're all clean.
All right, keep it clean. Especially since my car's looking so good right now. All right, Tristan, you ready for this?
Yes.
Harrison's gonna be leading the train here, running a nice smooth wide line. I'll be chasing them down.
As long as I don't fall asleep.
Yeah, as long as he doesn't fall asleep. We didn't get much sleep last night after the disaster of the Airbnb situation.
What? There's... Dude, I think there's someone staying in this room for sure. The TV's on. There's sandals there. What is with this fucking condo company, dude? What the fuck is going on, Xander?
It was a Florida man version of Airbnb. So. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go have fun out there. Each team is gonna be introduced by the Hoonigans. We're gonna kind of talk about whatever and then go send it. So I think our plan is gonna be to chase them down for, I don't know, 30 or 40 seconds, and then they're gonna start doing donuts and I'm gonna go send it on the bank, try not to crash.
Michelle Fielding to do 85%
Yeah?
in the chase and then just 100% on the bank.
Shout out to Rudy and his squad, man.
Yeah, when we showed up there, it was chaos. He's like, I'm trying to work on my car still.
Yeah, we were I see you guys call yourselves Red or Dead? Red or Dead. What's up, my man? How you doing?
So this drift week I added a bunch of heat wrap because the last time didn't go so well.
Higher on entry, and then at the exit you were a few feet closer for sure.
Okay.
As visually it felt closer to me.
Nice.
But I didn't seem scared.
Good shit. Red or Dead?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I wish like I would have choreographed something.
That's okay. The parking thing we kind of half-assed and it worked out. Hey, we didn't crash.
That's great. I just parked though.
I know. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Well, I saw the other team do it, and yeah. Look at these tires, y'all. This is ridiculous. Completely thrashed. On the bank, that is so scary.
We're gonna go watch.
Okay, let's go watch.
Dude.
Yeah.
Those are gnarly.
Completely smoked. Both sides. End of the day here at Freedom Factory. This track is fantastic. I will say, a bank track, which, as I said earlier, this is the first bank I've ever really driven. I've driven at Englishtown in New York, and it has a small bank that's like kind of 190-degree turn, but this is like a proper oval bank. I've never done that before. Super fun. obliterates tires. I mean, 2 to 3 laps. I did have to turn the boost up and I was hammering on it, but man, the tires did not last at all. So that's kind of a nice, or unfortunate trade-off, I should say. But overall, I had a blast, and I want to thank Cletus and Freedom Factory and everyone associated for letting us come out here and play. It was super fun. My car was unscathed. I was able to keep it off the wall despite many attempts to try and screw that up, and it's still running great, still has fuel in it. So we're gonna street drive it out of here and go have a little Florida fun. I think it's you know, only midday now. I think it's like 4 o'clock or something. Usually we leave at dark or later, you know, and now we have a little bit of a reprieve. So maybe get a slight relaxing day in, upload some footage and all that. But overall, you know, thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, my shirts too. So there's a couple of these DRIFTWEEK2 shirts left with the Shredder Racing tag on them, and I thought that I would sell them all out here on the tour, but there's a couple left. So you guys check out my website if you want to pick one up. It'd be awesome to have your support. And I also have DRIFTWEEK2 Nabori flags, so you guys check that out, and I'll see you guys on the next video.